Dice Game, what is going on today? We got a pretty hyped kind of beat. Well, I got a pretty hyped kind of beat for y'all today, guys. Today, we're gonna make an Nle Choppa type beat, alright? I know the song didn't just come out, but it came out kind of recently. What's the name of that song called again? Holy Moly. Yeah, that song is fire. I really like that song. I mean, it has Blueface and Nle Choppa in it, but you know, I'm pretty sure it's Nle Choppa's song, right? I'm gonna say it's Nle Choppa's song, but it's a fire song, and I'm gonna make a beat like that because you know something, Nle Choppa, I think he's kind of underrated, and because his songs are really fire, all right, and the beats are very simple, but they just slap. So we're gonna try and replicate that today. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Join the Discord and whatnot. And yeah, let's get into this video. All right, so first things first, we need to get like a nice dark-ish piano because the melodies always start with the piano, and they're simple. So I might just open up FL keys because it's nothing. I don't really need atmosphere for this. Alright, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. We're gonna keep that. We're gonna keep that. Now, let's get the. Okay, I'm just gonna get the 808 pattern out of the way because that's probably the simplest part of this kind of beat. It's very simple. Like 808 patterns, you literally could just have one 808 pattern or one 808. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you all how easy this is gonna be. All right. So I'm gonna just keep the 808 pattern like that. That's pretty simple. We do not want to overcomplicate that. Now let's get some nice hi-hats. I don't really know if there are specific ones to use, but we're just gonna choose probably like some nice little short hi-hats, something that's not too much. Claps now. Let's get the claps now. Wait, do they have? I don't think they have kicks, but I'm gonna put down. I'm just gonna put down the kicks. I really don't think kicks are a thing in these kind of beats, but we'll see. I hate to say it, but guys, I think that is it, because I mean, like I said, Nle Choppa type beats are really small. They're really simple to make, and I might make this like a Stunner for Vegas as well, because that's what it kind of reminds me of. It kind of reminds me of a Stunner for Vegas beat. But yeah, I mean, that is that. But you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna end it there, guys. There's it. There it is. There is it. There it is. That is our Nle X Stunner for Vegas type beat. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you learned how to make, or how easy it is to make Nle Choppa type beats. All you need is a nice dark, pretty much a dark melody. It's a very simple piano melody. You really only need a piano. Get this 808. I don't know what it's called, the official name. You want that 808, and then just literally make that simple as well. Add some stutter hi-hats and you're good. So yeah, there it is. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, I'm gonna need you to do that. Join the Discord. All right, Discord is popping. We have like over 700 members now. It's kind of crazy. So join the Discord. It's getting crazier. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.